Hello, welcome everybody. This is Patrick Brando Group from our London studios with our architect Bozza.
Hello, welcome everybody.
What are we projecting today, architect?
Projecting an Deli Restaurant with the urban style.
So with an urban style, let's have a look at, this is the render view, amazing. And now let's get inside with our wonderful, powerful projecting tool. That's amazing, look at the lights. Let's have a look at the kitchen view. Wow, amazing. Architect, when this project is gonna be ready?
The project will be finished in a couple of days.
Perfect. Remember, if you're looking to open a successful business here in London, everywhere in the world, we have a company for you. If you're looking to find a business partner, we can help you. If you want to sell your business, we can help you. If you're looking for financial solutions, we can help you as well. If you want to have a wonderful project, we can help you. www.brandogroup.co.uk. We specialize in taking care of your ideas. From Patrick Brando, architect Bozza.
Bye.
I'll see you next time.